Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Futureagle wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. This HDMI wireless transmitter truly supports plug-and-play functionality. It can establish a connection in just 3 seconds without any cables, Wi-Fi, apps, Bluetooth, or complicated setup. Whether you're streaming movies at home, presenting PPTs in meetings, recording programs in theaters, playing courseware in classrooms, or monitoring your store, our wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers a free, clear, and smooth experience. This wireless HDMI transmitter decodes 4K source content and delivers smooth, crisp 1080p video at a 60 Hz refresh rate. Say goodbye to blurriness and lag, you can even see every lash of the actors in the movie clearly. Thanks to LDS antenna technology, video transmission remains unaffected even when the transmitter and receiver are separated by 2 walls, allowing you to clearly view outdoor surveillance footage right from your living room sofa. Our HDMI transmitter comes with a newly upgraded LED screen that clearly displays connection status, signal strength, output resolution, and power status. You can easily keep track of the device's working conditions, enjoy the same reliability, transparency, and controllability as wired connections. Eliminate the uncertainties of using wireless devices and enjoy greater peace of mind. In addition to the traditional mirroring mode, this HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver also supports extended display mode. You can drag windows with your mouse to freely select the content to display, avoiding the embarrassment caused by privacy leaks in public settings. In case of emergency, press the button on the transmitter, TX, to temporarily cut off the transmission, and click again to resume it. The Futureagle S8 HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver delivers up to 100 meter or 328 feet coverage, that's about the length of a full football field. Unlike conventional single-band, 5G/2.4G alternatives, it supports simultaneous dual-band transmission, boasting speeds up to 1000 MB/s. That's fast enough to stream 10/4K Blu-ray movies in just 1 second. This wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is widely compatible with HDMI-equipped PCs, Macs, TV boxes, projectors, and monitors. What's more, we include 2 practical adapters, 4 mini/micro HDMI ports, and 1 USB-C extension cable in the package, offering flexible connectivity options for tablets, cameras, and other devices. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.